Here we go!
Okay, they're headed for the jump point. This plane is never gonna work.
Rocket!
Well?
Okay, I've locked onto your vehicles.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck! You're gonna need it.
It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we jumped back. We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator.
It's about time.
Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
Blvd, wake your star blasters. We haven't contained, but not for long.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect.
It's Epcot.
That is not a word.
Sure is. Stands for every person comes out tired.
I don't get it.
Thanks, Darren.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see. It is meaningless. Well then welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy. Now where's that cake toast?